So this is squid. And this one, sir?
Snapper.
A red snapper.
This is butterfish.
Okay.
This is white snapper.
This one is like humongous.
बहुत का दुकान है, मैं इधर वर्क करता है. ये अच्छा वाला मछली है, खाने के लिए बहुत टेस्टी है.
Bhaiya is actually rapping, you know.
Okay, I'm fine.
I'm from Kasol, you know, because I'm Shiva. Here at a place where it's like pretty much recommended by a lot of people, a lot of YouTubers as well. जिसमें ज़्यादा आएगा उसमें हम ले लेंगे. I've never tasted such an amazing pista ice cream. This is like one of the biggest tuna I've checked. I mean, this is humongous, man. Just check this out, man. Okay, this is where the cliff almost goes. Like if you see, it's going almost till there. But I think there's sort of a steps where you can come down. So this is the Varkala beach, what you're seeing. It reminds me of Goa, of that section. But I really like the cliff section. So, but anyways, we need to explore so we can go there and come back. Like literally insane number of people. Okay.
After this week.
Okay, okay, that next to this, after this cliff, there's another sort of people, no?
That is also very crowded.
Till the last part, I guess.
At a point it stops.
It stops, okay.
Yeah, that is the tallest point right now. It's a parking spot.
Okay. Like for the vehicles or something?
Yeah. For the cars and
Okay, okay. All the open display. Making it more attractive with tomatoes and chilies, huh? Yeah, and lemon, yeah. So this is squid, what you're saying. So this is squid. And this one, sir? Which all fishes are this?
Snapper.
A red snapper.
This is butterfish.
Okay.
This is white snapper.
So this is more available here, is it?
Yes.
There's like an open display of fishes and all other seafood. You can choose whichever you want. You can pick it up and guys can get whatever the way you want to be cooked. Very nice, man. This is again a gentleman preparing the ice for the prawns to be added in the ice. Anna, the tiger prawns, na?
Tiger prawns.
Tiger prawns, no?
Yeah.
It's so huge. Oh my god. I've eaten tiger prawns, but this one is like humongous. Too huge it is.
You want to hold on?
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Hey, you shouldn't be scared. It's already dead, dude.
I know.
Yeah.
Bro.
This one is lobster. Like literally wherever you go, like every 50 meters you come across an open stop. Say hi. ये आपका दुकान है?
जी हाँ, ये मेरा दुकान है. मतलब कि मेरा दोस्त का दुकान है. मैं इधर वर्क करता है. ये अच्छा वाला मछली है, खाने के लिए बहुत टेस्टी है. कुकिंग अंदर में क्या बोलता है, बटर लेमन गार्लिक चिल्ली ग्रिल बना लीफ एंड बहुत सारा मतलब कि डिजाइन में बनता है. खाने के लिए बहुत टेस्टी है. आप कभी भी आयो ये
भैया के पास जाओ. भैया is actually rapping, you know.
Okay, I'm fine.
See ya.
This is the one I think Nitin suggested. Somebody suggested.
Yeah, this one only. This is a restaurant. Everything is suggesting.
Okay, you are.
Yeah, and I have heard this place like pretty like famous. I think while returning we'll check out what is the thing with this. Like people are like more enthusiastic over here to express their own things, their own feelings though. It's like so nice. It's very difficult to find people who are very interactive, but that is what we could see. There's a lot of vibe and lot of like aliveness in and around. So we have come to the end of the clip, and what you're seeing behind, this is the last point, and post that, I think, as my friend was saying, that it's moreover like a parking spot, right?
Yeah.
I hope the prices are not fancy though, if the cafes are fancy. See, wherever we go, we apparently find our friends.
Everywhere. You're taking a photo with him. He's not
No, he was in our place. So all the...
He's from London.
He's from London?
Yeah. His name is Raj. Raj. He's actually from London. I'm not kidding. He's actually from London.
I'm from Kasol, you know, because I'm
Kasol?
Shiva.
Kasol?
Yeah.
He's from Kasol?
Yeah.
Tosh.
You know why?
Why?
Because I'm Shiva.
Hey, Tosh. He's a very devotee of you.
Yeah, please. Everything is good, including this car. Oh my god, it's like, look at the amount of people like have come over here. I mean, I feel that this hostel area is much peaceful, where we are like hardly like 5 to 6 people who can just chill over there. I feel picking up a place like that is must, so that you are in completely at a off-beat location. No crowd, no COVID. Hashtag lost with us. They just get lost with us. So I'm here at a place where it's like pretty much recommended by a lot of people, a lot of YouTubers as well. I think this place is like pretty known place as well. And this is basically God's own country kitchen. What I've heard about this place is that it's pretty much well known for seafood. So I'm gonna try 1 or 2 dishes over here and see how's the experience. Can't wait to have seafood, man. भैया इसमें कौन सा अच्छा क्वांटिटी आएगा वो बता दीजिए हमको. जिसमें ज़्यादा आएगा उसमें हम ले लेंगे. कौन सा अच्छा है भैया?
Our special items, special banana and fish butter lemon garlic chili.
Okay. और
You want a big fish, you can choose from there. It all belongs to this restaurant. The right is cooking and served with the side dishes, naan, rice, chips and salad.
okay. And can we take a combination of prawns and calamari?
We have a seafood platter, prawns, calamari, crab and fish.
Okay.
If you come here, we can choose from there.
How much will that come up to? Yeah, I know that is expensive.
We started with 2,000 to 5,000. It's a menu order, fish and banana leaf is a 500 rupees.
Okay.
Egg portion fish. Egg portion. Served with the side dish.
I want to go with the prawns, so how much would, like, what would you suggest in prawns?
Quantity.
Yeah.
Prawns 5 pieces.
Yeah.
It depends upon the size.
5 pieces is actually expensive, man. With 500 rupees, like 1 piece is like 100 rupees.
Varkala is too much expensive.
Yeah?
Varkala is...
Why? No, you get fishes right over there, and the sea is over there, and it's all expensive. I don't know why.
This is also the Kerala special.
Kerala special fish in banana leaf. Vaadele polichadu.
Under
Gravy.
under 1,000.
No, this is all 500.
It's 500 rupees. Menu order 500 rupees.
ಇದು ಡಿಶ್ ಮಾಡಿಯಾ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಮೇನ್ ಡಿಶ್
Dish ಮಾಡಿ.
ಮೇನ್ ಡಿಶ್
No. Calamari is separate. The squid.
Calamari squid.
ಸ್ಕ್ವಿಡ್
Yeah.
I'll try,
Yeah?
but I'll try the roast.
Roast? No, we'll take roast only.
Okay.
Wait,
We'll take different orders. We'll share.
Okay, calamari roast.
With rice or naan you want.
No, nothing.
It's already comes.
Oh, it'll come with it.
Yeah.
So we'll go with naan.
No, can we like touch it?
Yeah.
Gravy.
I'll take something in prawns because in seafood now you should try in Original. Okay, I want to have one prawns chettinad.
And I'll take the rice.
This is? We'll go with naan. The song and the dishes make it so soothing and yum. And this is what I've ordered. This is prawns chettinad. And this one is calamari fry, I guess. No? The masala fry.
Yeah, they call it roast.
Yeah, calamari roast. So this is calamari roast. And this is prawns chettinad. You can have it with rice or maybe with naan. So we have taken naan here. So this is naan. So let's begin, brother.
Begin.
Have it with the beer. Chip. Have the beer, then it will be chip. It is little on the spicier side. I think because this is prawns chettinad, right? And let me try the squid. That's the calamari. Yum. Squid is actually nice. It's more on little tangier side. Tangier yet little spicy. So it's a mix of both combination. But the prawns chettinad is on next level. It's a Samma Tamil Nadu style. Now I have nothing to say. You just enjoy the music. You will be enjoying our food. So if you notice, the music was coming from the downstairs and these guys are singing it so beautifully. When the night begins, the liveliness begins. So if you would be noticing a lot of lights now. Check this out. Yeah, but this one, it's a pista ice cream which will cost me around 15 bucks. I've never tasted such an amazing pista ice cream. I don't know, I just removed the wrapper. I forgot to take the photo of the ice cream though. But this tastes too good. Kingfish, no? Okay, this is kingfish. Just like the king size. And these are the snappers. Snappers. The crabs. So these are the jumbo prawns which we had. Yeah, the jumbo prawns. So you need to see, this is like one of the biggest tuna I've checked. I mean, this is humongous, man. Check this out. It is from there and it travels all the way down south. Just like how we have traveled to Kerala. Yeah, it is more than 20. 20 kgs के ऊपर है ना ये. Purple vibes. actually a vibe though. Just check this out, man. Like all the purple color, just vibe.
It was 23 on